Hi, my name is Brigitte, and welcome to the word of the day. Today's word is grace. The definition of grace is a condition or fact of favor or unmerited favor. So I want to give you a phrase to think about for the rest of the week, and that is to give yourself some grace. We all have a whole bunch of things that we try to get through, our laundry list of things we want to check off every day, every week, and sometimes we may or may not get it done. But guess what? I need you to do. I need you to pump your brakes, okay? And then take a deep breath and give yourself some grace. Just figure out one thing that you can do this week to show yourself some grace. See y'all next week.